Hello and welcome to the FY06 video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're taking a look at the FY06 and a bunch of upgrades for it. As you can see, I've got a whole bunch of upgrades here. Let's just take a look at the drive shafts first. So I've got the two front drive shafts right here. Last night I spent a good 15 minutes Loctiting all the screws on all of the drive shafts. It's quite a few you need to do. You need to Loctite in there, Loctite the set screw there, and then Loctite in there too. So quite a bit of Loctiting going on last night. Got that all done up now though. And this is the drive shaft that's hopefully going to go to the front diff. It should be the right length and everything. I'm just not 100% sure if there's enough room in there, but we will find that out. This is actually a drive shaft that came from two other drive shafts put together to make it into a working one. That's why I'm not sure if it'll fit. Then we have the first rear drive shaft. They go here. And then we've got the last little one to go here. So all together, these drive shafts weigh quite a bit, which I kind of like having that weight that'll be lower down, so that'll be good. Then you can see we've got all the other pieces here. Got these arms for both of them. All these linkages here. One thing I did forget was to order another set of these long ones. So for now, either this pair or the back pair here will have to just be stock plastic. It's not a big deal though. Yeah, we got the A-arms. So yeah, we got the steering knuckles and everything. So let me just get started installing upgrades. So as you can see, I got these lower suspension arms installed. Looks pretty nice. Let's get on to the drive shaft. Alright, so I got the rear drive shafts installed, as you can see here. Nice beefy metal ones, as long as these aluminum lower suspension arms. If you know the proper name for these, let me know in the comments. Thanks. That looks pretty good, I think. At some point I will get new shocks and I will be replacing those, but no idea when that will be. Not right now, that's for sure. Overall, I quite like how that looks. I think that'll be it for... Actually, hold on. Let's do one more thing. put these two linkages on. So before we go to install these, we need to put some thread locker on there so it doesn't rattle apart when we're driving the vehicle. Alright, there. Excuse me. Alright, there. So, guess this is as far as I'm going to take it today. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.